Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to share such a great thing regarding the crypto market, and also I'm going to share three major news of the crypto industry. So first of all, why BTC is basically pumping at this time, why BTC dominance is going up and USDT, especially the stable currencies, are going down. We are going to share each and everything with you. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, you can see the main thing that the BTC dominance at this time is about 64%, and also you can see at the time of the making of this video, the price of 1 BTC is about $7,446, and the Ethereum price at this time, it is basically reaching more than $187.95, and it is up about 4.50. The BTC price is up in the last 24 hours 4.50%, and Ethereum price up by 2.84%. But in all the cases, why USDT is going down, that is our key factor. The thing is this, as we all know, basically the main thing is this, that some major, you can say, organizations are claiming this thing, that the whole crypto market is a volatile market. So why they are using a USDT, a Tether coin, and especially okay, not only the USDT, even the other coins, the USDX, the PAX, like these type of the tokens, and what is behind these tokens. So that was basically a main question, which basically every trader at this time, they are not taking the risk and not taking their own assets in USDT, in the stable currency at this time. And secondly, as we all know, that right now what happened with the oil, basically in the last 4 to 5 days, basically oil market crashed badly. As we all know, oil rebounds as crypto makes gains, especially Ether. The thing is this, as we all know, basically oil market is crashed badly in last week. So at this time, you can see one thing, the mostly traders which are basically making trades in the forex or in any other market, they are taking their all the assets in the crypto market. So it means that the fiat is entering in the cryptocurrency at this time. So that is why basically the crypto market is booming at this time. And especially as we all know, the Bitcoin halving is going to come. Only 18 days are left. Okay, seriously? Yeah, okay, 18 days are left for the Bitcoin halving. So it means definitely the BTC will gain the price very soon. So if you have the assets at this time in the stable currency, you must have to take all the assets in the BTC. So definitely you are going to earn something. Second news is such a great thing right now. Basically you can see a scam alert. Okay, a new digital currency Ponzi scheme from China has gulped nearly $11 million Bitcoin in less than a month of its operation. AK is the authorization supernode mining platform issued by CXC, which is the basic composition application of the CXC ecosystem. A press release revealed that AK decreases its supply by 18% every 90 days, influencing the investors to invest in the exclusive opportunity. That was basically a MLM system. So every time I mention my all the friends and the subscribers, please don't try to enter in any type of Ponzi schemes like MLM or anything like that. So that is basically a news right now, that in China a huge, you can say, a scheme like, you can say, MLM scheme basically already scammed up to $11 million. That is such a great amount. Anyways, the last and such a great news for all the YouTubers, especially, seriously, and especially for the scammers. Basically XRP filed a case against the YouTube for XRP giveaway scam. As I told all the subscribers that anytime if you are going to watch any type of ad, any type of, you can say, main advertisement or any type of poster anywhere, even in on my video or anywhere, if you are going to see that one, you must have to report for that. Because as we all know, basically the thing is this, right now XRP filed a case against the YouTube that why they didn't stop the XRP the giveaway scam. Here you can see the XRP giveaway scam. So you must have to read, on April 21, the blockchain firm Ripple filed a lawsuit against the leading video uploading platform YouTube for failure to stop XRP scammers and imitators, because they earned a lot of money seriously with the help of that one scam. But seriously, you have to save your funds. Don't do this. If any type of CEO or anyone is going to come in front of you and he or she is saying that okay, we are going to give away 100 Ethereum, we are going to give away 50 BTC, that are basically the scammers. So don't try to send your you can say the funds over there, because if you are going to send them funds, you are not going to get even a single thing, and your all the funds will be taken up by them. So please kindly, at this time, you must have to be aware about this, because this video is entirely important for all of those who did this, and especially for the scammers. Please don't do this with us. Seriously, we basically make up a small money with the help of crypto, and if they are going to do it like this, and especially the people, first of all the subscribers, it is my request, please kindly save your funds. Don't send your funds to anyone like this if they are claiming that they are basically the CEO or anything, or if they are basically operating a YouTube channel, and basically on the YouTube channel they are basically you can say they are basically obtaining any type of the giveaways of XRP, BTC, Ethereum, LTC, or any type of currency. You must have to be aware regarding that, and don't send your funds over there. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.